Live look Lexington right now from Thunder Truck. You can see as we keep heading north on 128, the snow is sticking to the pavement, and I'm sure it's getting colder out there. Obviously, treacherous conditions if you're headed out early this morning.
Yeah, and things are changing by the minute. So let's get to Chief Meteorologist Matt Noyes. What are we talking about at this half hour?
They really are changing by the minute, too. That's not an overstatement. I mean, I come in from the Merrimack Valley, and notice it's 23 in Lawrence right now versus 35 at Boston. That makes a huge difference when it comes to road conditions. So does being 35 to 38 as you get south of Boston. Now, impact view on the radar. I love doing this because it really just helps stand out where the heaviest precipitation is. Newton, Needham, Framingham, Westboro, Worcester. Stretched right across there. Storm Ranger scan coming around, updating the data live on your screen for you. On the bigger view, more traditional view rather than the impact view, look at the holes developing over Essex County. We could use it. We're up to 10 inches now around places like Salem, New Hampshire. We're at 8 inches when you get into Haverhill. You've got that band of snow over Boston, but it is still mixed with rain right at the coast. Huge difference between Chelsea and Somerville versus even just going a little bit farther north to a Woburn, for example, or a Saugus, for that matter, has more snow than we do when you get right along the immediate shoreline. Farther to the north, nice break in the action around Chester, around Nashua, around Manchester. And then we found the snow drift up around Concord. But here is that same band I told you about. It's over the Mass Pike. It stretches out over 290 from Worcester to Shrewsbury right now, and to the south of Worcester across Route 20 down to Auburn as well. North and west, again, more of the breaking up. Keene to Brattleboro. South and east, more of the wet kind of snow that's coming down. So even though you see the blue at Hanover, at Marshfield, if you're waking up in these spots, you can look out the window and see for yourself. It is mostly wet out there, and it's been raindrops when you get onto Cape Cod. Winds are just starting to gust now in excess of 20 miles an hour, even inland. I bring that up because where we have over 6 inches of snow, there is a chance to get some power outages. So where it's snowy, the roads really don't improve quickly. There are going to be some outages where the amounts are over 6. It's already sub-freezing, as you saw, north and west of town. That sinks southeast through the early afternoon. So Boston around midday, south and east of Boston during the early afternoon. Probably not making it down to Plymouth, though, by the time all is said and done. There is more energy coming in from the west, so we will add to these totals of 10 inches from Matt in Salem, 8 inches in Haverhill, about 3 when you get into Lexington. Here is a closer inspection of the amounts you've reported. You can see where that max is right now, and you can also see those amounts dropping pretty quickly to the south and east. So how's it going to come? What's the timing of it? How strong is it going to be, right? This is going to be a kind of indicator of snowfall rate. Consider that most of us will be in and out of precipitation, rain, snow mix, southeast, snow for a lot of the rest of us for the rest of the day. But when does it get heavy? At 9:15, you can see we've got this band of about ½ inch per hour snow that wants to be set up near 495. That's going to be the zone we're going to watch for the most additional snow. So even though you get the band over the Mass Turnpike now, we think it may set up again a little bit farther to the north. Notice at noon, you got a band of inch per hour snow that comes in. One thing I want to point out, I think it's really important. There are holes all over the place in this stuff, right? So think of it akin to summertime showers and thunderstorms. A number of them will develop. When they hit your town, it snows pretty good, and the roads go downhill again, even if the crews have made progress. But by 3:15, it's really letting up when you get out by Central Mass, and by the time we get to the early evening, I mean, it's done, essentially. So many of you ask, when should I clear the snow? I would say if you could do it once this morning, it's a good idea. North and west of town, where the cold air has really just come in, the snow consistency is going to change. It's been kind of a little bit heavier. It's going to get lighter in consistency north and west of town. And when you get south and east of town, you can see the additional snow amounts on the order of probably 1 to 2 inches in the white, about 2 to 4 in the blue. But remember, see the holes, it's coming in these kind of bursts. And when you get north and west of town, you could get additional 6 on the 495 belt running into southeastern Massachusetts by the time all is said and done. A little closer inspection shows you that. But again, that's largely because it's gone to a colder, fluffier snow up around Lowell and Haverhill than it was in the first part of the night. Overnight tonight, it all kind of locks in place. You'll drop down to about 20. You do melt some of that off tomorrow, though. High temperatures get to about 35 to 40. So if you can get down, even just showing little patches of pavement in the driveway and on the sidewalks here, by the time we get to this evening, it's going to do you a lot of good tomorrow. We get to Tuesday, and it warms up a bit. There still may be a mix, especially inland on Tuesday evening when the precipitation first arrives. It should end up going to rain. Bit of a problem there. You may get some kind of street flooding with the melting snow. And the other thing is the wind is really going to gust. Early Wednesday morning, pre-dawn, may knock out power in spots. Gusts over 50 for some. I'll see you again with more coming up in a few.
Matt, thank you. Don't forget you can track that storm anytime right on your phone. This is really handy to have today. Just scan that QR code to download the NBC 10 Boston app. You'll have access to our radar, the 10-day forecast. Plus, you can set it to get those severe alerts for where you live.